I just finished ballet and jazz. Now I'm heading out to the library to go work on my real estate license, and I also need to edit a what I eat in a week video because I filmed the whole thing and I've only edited like I think 2 days worth.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun.
Farmer for just $50 a month, and she covered it in honeysuckle, and she planted hundreds of wildflowers, and she moved out of her wicked aunt's house, and she finally got her freedom.
Good for her.
Do you know why I told you this?
No.
I made the best brown sugar latte. This is so good. I was gonna make pancakes because of the Matilda movie that I watched this morning, but my mom made this delicious burrito thing. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's just a whole bunch of good stuff.
Cream cheese.
A whole bunch of good stuff that's inside there. I am so sad that the sun went away. Oh my gosh, I woke up so happy with like the sun beaming through my room. I'm gonna go to the mall in a little bit because I'm going to pick out some pants for an Abercrombie and Fitch collab that I'm doing. My childhood self is screaming inside because I wore Abercrombie and Fitch pants religiously all throughout like middle school to like my freshman and sophomore year of high school. I've never thought I was gonna do something with Abercrombie and Fitch. It's crazy. So I just need to go and pick those jeans out. So exciting. Julian is gonna come and pick me up, so I'm just gonna wait for him and finish watching Matilda. I got my first pair of jeans. I'm trying to look at all the jeans that they have. There's so many. I can't believe how fast it started raining. And I have a bunch of laundry that I need to do anyway, so I'll just finish this laundry up.
Miserable eye! What do I have to do to... I'm gonna give you a chance! Power. To unlock that power, all she has...
I'm loading my pinks up in the wash because I'm running out of pink clothes. Okay, I'm going to make shrimp pasta, or attempt to make shrimp pasta. So let's see. Old Bay. I'm not measuring because I don't think I need to measure. Italian seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, some olive oil, just a little bit. I think that's a little bit. Smells good already. I feel like I should start a series of trying new recipes because I don't know how to cook, so I'm trying to learn. I can test them out to see if they're actually easy or if they're hard recipes, but this one seems easy. The noodles are done, so now I'm just taking out some pasta water. Shrimp is done. Now we're gonna do the rest of the pasta in the pan. The pasta is complete. The only ingredient I didn't have was Parmesan cheese, but other than that, I feel like it came out pretty good. Ooh, I just put like regular cheese. Good. I did good. This is what I'm left with.
The results.
The results, that was good. I just took a body shower and I want to do this little collagen mask. The little eye patches. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the top. Oh. These masks are a little hard to put on though. But just because they're so slippery and slimy. I forgot I have to cut off my little nose flap because my face is not big enough. Where are the scissors at?
Yeah, because we put this thing on now.
Oh, let me see it. Wait, let me see the whole bed. I like it. I like the gold.
Look at this. I like how it looks with the...
Oh, the light in the back? Yeah, it looks good.
Getting ready to go to Bella's house, and I have to wear triple socks because their house is freezing. And every time I go, Bella, I come home with the craziest, like, aching on my feet.
You know
I'm gonna
what?
wear triple socks.
I say that all the time, that my house is freezing, because it is. This is our little snack fest. Look at that. We got popcorn, fruit, gummies, and pasta. Which I'm surprised Jocelyn likes the pasta.
Oh, we're gonna do this again! No!
Because she's very picky. So that obviously means that I'm a good chef. If she likes my pasta.
Somebody owes me not a penny more.
You take that money, he's gonna come after you. Really going? I'm really going.
But you're ready to confess.
Oh my god. She looks so good.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Right here.
Because you really wanted a job, waitress.
And when did I make you head of person?
Box and a bottle, your best champagne for the table. Oh,
There's so many actors in here I already recognize.
Vicky, Andrew.
All that brown sugar. My favorite part, all the cinnamon.
It's smelling like a cinnamon roll now.
I know, it smells good. Just rolling, rolling, rolling. Ooh, that was like perfect.
Looks professional, doesn't it?
Yeah, that was a good one.
I might need a smaller pan. I think this one's too big. Should I make it smaller? Ooh.
Ooh, looks good. I like them. They're gonna be good.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Don't squish it though.
My mom cut these in half and now they're little cinnamon roll bites. Look at how tiny they are. They're so cute.
Okay. And a little baby one right next to it. 25 minutes. It might be 20 because they're tiny.
They look good.
They do, huh?
My gosh, they smell so good.
Look at this baby one. So pretty.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Look at that.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have one before I leave.
Okay.
That is so cute. My mom's little cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna go. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I have my ballet clothes on. I tried these heatless curls last night. I just wanted to see how they came out. Oh my gosh, they came out so good. But my hair is gonna go up in a bun right now anyways. I'll do the bun later though, because I actually do like my hair right now. Let's pack the bag. All the ballet and jazz shoes. And then I have my shorts to go on over my leggings. 2 lip glosses. My laptop, because I have time in between my 2 classes. Putting on my pink cardigan, because it's pretty chilly outside. And then my jacket. Also taking my tripod. Let's go get breakfast and then we go to ballet. I put my hair up in a ponytail so that way I could just throw it up in a bun. I'm eating breakfast. I'm also driving on 31 miles, of course. My gas is always empty. After this, I have to pick up a couple of things from the store. I need a tennis ball and then 2 resistant bands for ballet. So I might order those on Amazon or I might just get them like at Big 5. Back home and I'm eating my mom's cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh, these are so delicious. They are the cutest little cinnamon roll bites ever and they taste so good. I changed into something comfier. I have my black sweats on and then my black tank top. I think I'm gonna wear this to my next class, which is in an hour and 30 minutes. And then I also need to redo my hair because it's looking a little funky. But I already ate lunch. I had ceviche and then now I'm having my delicious little snack. Devoured that. look like a crazy mess. But look at how cute this hotel room is. It's so adorable. This is the restroom. So cute. We're in San Francisco right now to get Julian's passport because we're going somewhere exciting in February. So he needs an emergency passport and you can only get that done at a passport agency. So his passport isn't ready until like 4 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock, so we still have like 4 hours, and I don't know what else we're gonna do today. That's all I got so far. Olaplex number 7. This is my go-to hair oil.
I don't see it. What? What? Are you putting me?
Yes! Julian dropped one of my rollers out the window.
Just the clip, not the roller.
Just a clip. I'm using the phone because, of course, no shocker, my camera died. But we're gonna go get his passport now. Yeah! And then I don't know what we're gonna do next.